Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well. I am your teacher, Meenal Budhiraja from Vidyabal Bhavan Public School, taking your EVS of grade 2. So, kids, I hope you have done your homework. Yes. So, which chapter we were doing? Can anybody tell me? Yes, we were doing lesson number 6. And the name of the chapter is Food We Eat. I hope now you can easily recognize what type of food you are eating. When mama give you a food plate, then now you can easily tell which is bodybuilding food, protective food and energy giving food. So today we are going to finish with our chapter. Yes, please take out your notebook because we are going to do today new words in the notebook. I will tell you the format how to do the work in your notebook. So be prepared with your things, your stationery items, books, water bottle. Kids, why I always say you to have water, especially during summer days. Do you know water also play a major role in digesting the food? So today we will learn about the importance of water too. Okay. Now can anyone tell me what is the meaning of vegetarian and non-vegetarian? If someone calls you or asks you whether you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian, then how will you answer of it? Yes, unless you know what is the meaning of that, you can't answer it now. If I like to eat fish and egg, then I am vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Guess. Okay, I will tell you. Vegetarian are those people who do not like to eat fish, eggs or meat or any other kind of animal skin. So, vegetarian are those people who do not like to eat fish, eggs and meat. And what about the non-vegetarian? They are opposite of vegetarians. They like to eat fish, eggs or meat. So now can you easily tell them whether you are vegetarian or not? Okay, so let's start with our notebook work. Take out your notebook. I am going to tell you the pattern, how you have to do the work in it. Today we are going to do new words and keywords. So let's start with our notebook work. First of all, write the date. Today's date. Then classwork. After that, lesson number. We are doing lesson 6. Then name of the chapter, that is food we eat. Over here, what we are doing? New words. So write down new words. Start number 1. That is healthy. That is healthy. What is the spelling of healthy, kids? Healthy. Next, cereals. 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 Number 3, pulses. 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 Don't forget to write in a good handwriting. Number 4, fruits. 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 Number 5, vegetables. 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 Number 6, energy giving food. energy giving food. ENERGY, energy giving. GIVING, giving food. FOOD, food. Number 7, body building food. Body building food. BODY BUILDING, bodybuilding food. Once again, see the work. Yes, start with the number 8. Number 8, protective food. Protective food. PROTECTIV, protective food. FOOD, food. Number 9, vegetarians. Vegetarians. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. Number 10, non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. NONVEGETARIANS, vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. 11, potatoes. 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 Number 12, cheese. 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 Have a look once again. Now, so kids, I hope you have done the work in the same pattern that I have told you and shown. So now take out your book because we are going to do with the book exercise also. Let's start with the reading of the chapter. Don't forget to take your pencil. Keep your pencil with you so that you can underline the new words in the book only. Okay kids, you have to underline the new words in book only right now. Water. What is the spelling of water? WATER. Our body needs a lot of water. Our body needs lot of water. That's why we say you to drink water after every interval of time. Water help us to digest the food we eat. Yes, in the process of digesting food, water also play a role. Yes, water helps us to digest the food we eat. It helps us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. Yes, why we always go to pass out urine? Yes, when we drink lots of water, we have to go to toilet to pass out urine. That means undigested food is going out from your body. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Yes, we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Every day, make sure that you are drinking 6 to 8 glasses. Don't forget, keep reminding yourself. Count how much glass you have drank. If it is 4, then remind your mind, I have to Drink at least 8. Minimum 6. But go for 8. So how many glasses of water do you drink every day? 6 to 8 glasses. Okay, come to the next part. Cooking food. There are many vegetables that can be eaten raw. Raw means kacha. Can you eat carrot without cooking? Yes, we can eat carrot without cooking. And there are many vegetables that can be used as both vegetables and as in salad also. So let's start reading it. We cook most of the things before we eat them. Can you eat brinjal without cooking? No. Can you eat cabbage without cooking? No, ma'am. We cook most of the things before we eat them. Some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomatoes and fresh foods can be eaten raw. Now you understand that? Vegetables like carrot, radish and tomatoes, they are used as salad also. That's why we can eat them as raw without cooking. Now what you have to underline here? Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Next, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. And next, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Next, tomatoes. Next is tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. So, carrot, radish, tomatoes and other fruits can be eaten raw. Next, people who do not eat. People who do not eat fish, eggs and meat are called vegetarians. There are many kids who are vegetarians because they do not eat fish, eggs and meat. You have to underline the word vegetarians. Now you understand who are called vegetarians? People who do not eat fish, eggs and meat. Next, people who eat fish, eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians. Among us, there are many kids who are also non-vegetarians. So, why they are called non-vegetarians? Because they eat fish, eggs and meat. That's why we call them non-vegetarians. So, underline the word non-vegetarians. Kids, most important thing. We should eat food at regular interval. Don't give time gap between your meals. At least you should eat after every 2 to 3 hours. You can eat little bit if you're not feeling much hungry, but don't empty stomach for long time. Okay? So underline the word over here, regular and intervals. Carefully look the words that I have underlined, and you only have to underline these words in your book only. Okay? Now we are starting with our book exercise. So open your page number 27. Question number 1. Read the question carefully. Write the correct answer. You have to tick for the correct answers. Number 1 is plants give us cereals like plants give us cereals like number A, rice, number B, apple, number C, tomato. Read again once. Rice, apple, tomato. Among these three, which plants give us? Yes. Think. Yes, you can do it, kids. Is it option number A? Or is it option number C? Or is it option number B? Correct option is option number A. That is rice. Other are not the cereals. Come to the next. Second, the food that we do not eat raw. Raw means without cooking. A, carrot. B, rice. C, radish. We can easily eat carrot without cooking. We can easily eat rice without cooking. No, ma'am, we can't eat rice as raw. We need to cook them. So, the correct answer is B, rice. Note down the answers carefully, kids. Come to the next question. Question number B. Circle the odd one in each group. What you have to do? You have to circle the odd one. Yes. Number 1, work, grow, play, star. So, what you have to circle? I think play. No. Grow. No. We have to circle star. Come to the second. Milk, hockey, fish, egg. Ma'am, underline the word, circle the word fish. Why so? Milk, fish and egg are the food items. So, we will circle the hockey. Now, come to the next. Practice exercise section B. On page number 28. Question number A. Take the correct answers. Number 1. People who eat fish, eggs and meat are called. If I like to eat fish, egg and meat, then I am non-vegetarian, vegetarian. Or do I call wrestlers? I am then vegetarian. No, ma'am. Then you will be non-vegetarians because non-vegetarians like to eat fish, eggs and meat. Second, which of the following food is an energy-giving food? A, rice. B, milk. C, egg. Ma'am, the correct answer is A, rice. Next, what do you do to keep yourself healthy? Tell me yourself, what do you do to keep yourself healthy? Number A, eat fruits and vegetables. Number B, drink water. Or number C, both of these. Water is also important for the process of digestion and it keeps our body hydrated, and eating fresh fruits and vegetables is also necessary. So, option C, both of these. I hope kids you are doing along with me too. Come to the next question. That is, fill in the blanks correctly with the words given below. You have to fill in the blanks correctly with the words given in the box. Read the words. Number 1 is bones. Number 2 is food. Number 3 is 3. So let's start one by one. Read the number 1 sentence. There are dash main kinds of food. Tell me yourself, kids. How many types of food we have read? Yes, yes, yes. Correct. There are 3 main kinds of food. Can you tell me, kids? Number 1, energy giving food. Number 2, bodybuilding food. Number 3, protective food. Now come to the second. Bodybuilding foods build up our dash and muscles. Bodybuilding food builds up our, yes, bones and muscles. Number 3, we cannot live without. If I will not give you food for many times, like 2-3 days or more than that, so will you able to survive? No. So answer is food. We cannot live without food. Note down the answers, kids. Next is your homework part. There is more homework, but right now I am showing you the part of book only. That is, you have to do this activity in your book. Okay, kids? Look at these pictures of food items. Circle the food items that are body energy with a red crayon. Those that help to build up our body with a green crayon. And those that protect us from our disease with a blue crayon. Do it carefully, kids, and don't forget to get it checked by me. So kids, I hope you have noted down the work we have done in today's class. And those who have not done, kindly complete it. There is one important information for you. That is, I am going to take your class test. Yes, I am going to take your class test on 10th of July. Yes, on 10th of July, that is Friday. So be prepared for it. Start revising your chapter. Lesson number 6. I am going to take test of your lesson number 6 on 10th of July 2020. That is Friday. Till then, kids, take care. Bye-bye.